How to change your RYOBI Riding Mower Blades. When changing the blades on your RYOBI electric riding mower or installing the blades used with the bagging accessory, there are two ways to access the blades. You can remove the deck or raise the mower. If you choose to raise the mower to access the blades, make sure the mower is properly secured and the parking brake is set before proceeding. Failure to properly secure the mower could cause it to fall, resulting in death or possible serious personal injury. Caution: only use replacement blade bolts authorized by the manufacturer of your riding lawnmower. Use of blade bolts not authorized is hazardous and may damage your riding mower. For this demonstration, we will remove the deck from the riding mower for easier access. To remove the deck, first make sure the direction control switch is in the neutral position and the blade engage knob is down. Remove the start key and set the parking brake. Then, disconnect the cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Lower the cutting deck to its lowest position and remove the 4 hitch pins and washers that secure the cutting deck in place. Then, remove the bolts holding the deck to the mower. With the deck free from the mower, slide the deck out from under the mower. To remove the blades, place a block of wood between the blade and the mower deck to prevent the blade from turning. Then, loosen the blade nut by turning it counterclockwise using a 15mm wrench or socket. Remove the blade nut, spacer, blade insulator, and blade. Place the new blade on the shaft against the corresponding blade posts. Ensure the blade is properly seated with the shaft going through the center blade hole and the 2 blade posts inserted into their respective holes on the blade. When seated properly, the blade should be flat against the blade posts. Make sure it is installed with the curved ends pointing up toward the mower deck. Install the blade insulator and spacer, making sure the flat sides on each piece align and the straight sides of the opening on the spacer are aligned with the straight sides of the blade shaft. Next, thread the blade nut onto the shaft and finger tighten. To finish, torque the blade nut down clockwise using a torque wrench to ensure the bolt is properly tightened. The recommended torque for the blade nut is 600 to 650 inch-pounds. Note: make certain all parts are replaced in the exact order in which they were removed. Repeat these steps for the other blade. Bagging blades would also be installed the same way. Contact customer service for assistance at 1-800-860-4050.